Hello again, everyone. Welcome to our eBay box break. This is for the 2011-2012 Upper Deck Ultimate Collection box break number 44. Here's the last team up for auction. There's Edmonton. Serial number of the box is NE189532528. Let's get on with the break. Best of luck, everybody. Here we go. Start with the base card for the Blue Jackets of Jeff Carter, number 88 out of 399. We have an Ultimate Rookies for the Sabres of Derek Whitmore, 155 out of 399. Our decoy. And we have a redemption. It's an Ultimate Legend Signatures card of Jean Beliveau. That card goes to Montreal, Jean Beliveau. And then we have an Ultimate Rookie Jersey card for the Avalanche of Gabriel Landeskog, 144 out of 200. So thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.